Most of us enjoy helping others, and here are 3 ways to help unhelpfully. Listen out for anything that's going wrong or not working fast enough for your liking, then dive in and get involved. Be sure to bypass colleagues and reports to get to the right person and issues. They really will thank you for it in the end. And to create the maximum mayhem, try to get physically involved in actually fixing things if you can. In fact, no harm in carrying a spanner in your briefcase. You know, just in case. However, if you don't fancy getting your hands dirty, then your best route to helping unhelpfully is to give advice. This is fun for a number of reasons. Firstly, you don't have to listen much, because what they think really doesn't matter. It's probably wrong anyway. Giving advice is also great fun because you get to show everyone just how much you know. Lucky them. But the best bit is that you stay in charge. You see, by handing out lots of advice, you stop people thinking for themselves. This promotes dependency on you and ensures that you will always be wanted. Except for by people with a brain. Making things go 100% your way is another important way to help. The last thing you want is to be shown up by a lazy team who can't be bothered to do as they're told. It doesn't exactly make you look good. To instill the need to do it 100% my way, simply follow these 3 strategies. Cut out the praise bit. Pick fault wherever you notice it, and only reward the exact outcome you wanted. And for goodness sake, don't start patting people on the back for making an effort. It's just so confusing. Having said all that, if you want to be really boring, manage the person, not their task. Actively help people to do their own problem solving. They will almost always have the answers. You just have to listen and to stay out of the way. Lastly, save yourself an ulcer and consider the possibility that there really is more than one right way to do it.